A shadow crosses the Earth, moving faster than sound itself. Above the atmosphere, a mountain-sized asteroid burns like a false sun. Every second, it races closer, unstoppable. The world has no more time. Impact is moments away. Then, contact. The asteroid strikes the force of millions of nuclear weapons. A flash brighter than the surface of the sun blinds everything within hundreds of kilometers. The ground convulses as if the planet itself screams. Shockwaves rip through entire continents. Cities crumble like sandcastles struck by an invisible hammer. Skyscrapers shatter into dust, glass and steel carried by the storm of air. A pillar of fire erupts skyward, reaching higher than Everest. Wildfires ignite simultaneously across thousands of kilometers. Flames devour forests faster than storms can spread. The oceans respond with fury. A tsunami rises, taller than buildings, racing across the globe. Coastlines vanish under walls of water. Millions are swept away in minutes. Above, the sky darkens with ash and vapor. Fine dust shoots into the stratosphere, spreading across the planet. Sunlight dims, swallowed by a shroud of darkness. Day turns into an endless night. Temperatures plummet. Frost covers lands that once burned. Crops fail within weeks, starved of light. Ecosystems collapse, one after another. Insects vanish, birds fall silent. Forests, once alive with sound, become graveyards of silence. 75% of Earth's living species are doomed. Humanity, too, is on the brink of extinction. Cities, once bright with electricity, sink into cold, endless blackouts. Survivors struggle, not against each other, but against a dying world. No harvest, no sunlight, no future. This is the price of an asteroid only 10 kilometers wide. But what if the next one is larger? Could it wipe out everything, leaving Earth as silent as the moon? A planet stripped of life, an echo of its former self. Extinction. Total, irreversible. Unless somehow humanity learns to act before it is too late. And in the shadow of destruction, a new question rises. Can we fight back? The asteroid is coming. Humanity has no choice but to prepare. Across the globe, scientists unite in a single mission: deflect the rock or die with it. Supercomputers run day and night, mapping every possible trajectory. Space agencies scramble to launch what may be our last defense. The first plan: kinetic impact. A spacecraft hurled at unimaginable speeds, aimed to nudge the asteroid off course. Just a few centimeters per second could mean salvation. But the asteroid is massive. Would it even notice? The second plan: nuclear devices. Not to shatter it, but to push it, gently, with raw energy. A gamble between saving Earth or creating a rain of smaller, deadly fragments. Engineers design gravity tractors, machines that hover beside the asteroid. Their pull, weak but constant, could bend its path over years. But years may be time we no longer have. So humanity builds shelters, hidden beneath mountains, underground cities powered by reactors, stocked with food for decades. A chance, not for everyone, but for a chosen few. Scientists design seed vaults to preserve the DNA of every living thing. Arcs of life waiting for a future where Earth breathes again. Satellites monitor the skies, watching for fragments. Every nation contributes, because survival is no longer about borders. Humanity stands at the edge of extinction, and yet also at the height of unity. For the first time in history, All of civilization shares a single purpose: to live, to endure, and to fight against the silence of space. But even the best plans can fail, and when failure means extinction, every second matters. The asteroid still approaches, unstoppable, indifferent, and humanity must answer the question: will we be ready?